When I first heard about my scholarship, when I opened my acceptance letter, I was just in so much shock.
When I opened my acceptance letter, it was great. It was like a weight was lifted off my chest.
When I did get the financial aid that I needed, it was kind of like a weight off myself, but mainly my parents.
I got accepted in person. My guidance counselor was right next to me, and I looked at her and she was like ecstatic.
It's made going to Seton Hall possible for me.
Without my scholarship, I actually wouldn't even be here.
My family and I were just so grateful.
My smile was like from ear to ear.
Now I can step back and actually, go to school and focus and make sure that the donors who are giving the money are seeing that their money is going to somebody that is actually able to graduate on time and then be able to do something great in this world.
My scholarship motivates me to do better in my classes.
Attending Seton Hall is probably the best decision I've made thus far in my life.
So I'm so thankful for the people that contributed to it.
Because of them, I'm able to attend Seton Hall, and I'm forever indebted to them. Without them, I would have never found my second home.